Assalamu alaikum. Telling a rhyme. This rhyme is rainbow. Do you know? Do you know? 7 colors make a rainbow. Red, orange and yellow. Green and blue. Violet, indigo too. Raindrops and sunlight make the colors look so bright. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.